The entire world has been suffering due to the climate change dilemma. Hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, desertification, and fires have become the new norm. Why? Because of climate change. Air and water pollution, crop devastation, typhoons, shore erosion, and glaciers melting are just some.
Human activities such as deforestation, the use of fossil fuels, and unsustainable agriculture contribute to climate change, which decrease the availability of clean water and nutritious food. It is also destroy ecosystems and secure living environment. This leads to malnutrition, ill health, and migration, rendering youth particularly vulnerable. Hello future, my name is NURFATHONAH with my matrix number A22011108. Climate action in youth is essential if you are going to successfully tackle the challenge of climate change. Young people have the energy, creativity, and patience to make a real difference in this important issue. At the same time, youth constitute the majority of many countries and have increasingly strong social and environmental awareness, which has the power to transform our societies towards a low carbon and climate resilient future. Climate action in youth is essential in the fight against climate change. Young people who will inherit this planet and have a vested interest in protecting it.
Hi, FAIZZUDIN with matrix number A2200402 here, and I'm going to expose to you guys about the causes of the climate change. Youth, you should know that the climate change is primarily caused by the excessive emission of the greenhouse gases into the Earth's atmosphere. The burning of fossil fuels, such as the car that you use for the energy production, is a major contributor to this problem. These activities release large amount of carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, which trap heat in the atmosphere and lead to a warming effect known as the greenhouse effect. Industrialization and rapid growth of the global population are other significant causes of climate change. As countries develop, our energy demand increase, resulting in higher level of greenhouse gas emission. The expansion of industries, transportation system, and infrastructure all contribute to the phenomenon. Finally, agricultural practices, particularly livestock farming, contribute to climate change. You need to think that these activities produce methane and nitrous oxide gas. Methane is released during the digestive process of cattle and other livestock, while nitrous oxide is released from the use of fertilizer and manure management. Additionally, agricultural expansion often involves deforestation, which further amplifies the carbon emission and reduces the planet's capacity to absorb the carbon dioxide.
Good day, promising you. The name given is Fiorella Agness, and my metric card is A2200432. Dear my beloved you, let us be real here by opening our eyes and our mind about our current situation. I would like to remind you that our global population right now is 8 billion according to 2022 issues, and it will increase each year. As the world climate is changing, where the cause is well understood, it obviously threatens the development. It poses substantial risks to food production, water supplies, ecosystem, and energy security. By that time, we may be forced to migrate to other places to avoid its worst effects. The effects can be listed down such as hotter temperature, more severe storm, increased drought, rising ocean, loss of species, insufficient food, health risks, and poverty. These events are associated with each other with confirmed effects living things. For example, when flood happens, it sweeps away everything and destroys not only livelihood, but the same goes to causing death. So, to my free-spirited you, You know what to do and it is your choice.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam satu Malaysia. My name is Ahmad bin RASLI. My matrix number is A22-01435. And today I'm going to talk about how the youth play a vital role in order to fight against the climate changes. So first of all, by raising an awareness among your peers, by doing campaign within your school or communities, can educate others about the climate changes, its causes and impacts. That including organizing workshop, presentation or guest speak events. Other than that, we can promote renewable energy by encouraging our school or university to invest in renewable energy sources such as solar panel and wind turbines. This can save our electricity consumption by advocate for green energy initiative and participate in student-led renewable energy projects. Last but not least, sustainable transportation. By promoting sustainable transportation option among fellow students. There's a lot of transportation that we can use, such as bicycle or scooters. They already been promoted by our governments.
Hi, this is FATIN HISAMUDDIN with a metric number of A22000423, standing here to convey an important message regarding climate action. As my friends has been sharing a lot about climate change, I am here just to share why this message is so important to the youth community. As we have heard, climate change has been taking a toll on our daily life and disrupting the earth. Young people play a big role by maintaining an environmental sustainability and accelerating the climate action. This is to be said because young people tend to be more enthusiastic once they know how important they are to the society. For example, this message can encourage them to volunteer in more environmental sustainability programs. Apart from that, I believe young people tend to be more involved once they learn how dire the situation is. Thus, this message can inspire them to engage in more political activities. Politically engaging young people can use their influence to mobilize the climate action in many mediums such as social media like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. And last, we can attain more innovative solutions from the youth community in hope to minimize the further damage on Earth. I guess by the time you heard our message, you must be wished to be more knowledgeable and prominent over the current world issue, right?
Hi, SHAFIQ KAMAL here, A22000710. Before I jump into conclusion, we should ask ourselves, how can the youth community make a difference in tackling climate change? The answer is clear, through their power, determination and actions. Imagine a small town facing the effects of the climate change, but a group of passionate young individuals step up, organizing a campaign and inspiring the community to take action. Soon, the entire town rally together and their efforts lead to a remarkable transformation. This story demonstrates the immense impact of youth-driven climate action. It shows that we have the power to shape a sustainable future. Together, we can create a world where renewable energy prevails, sustainable practices are the norm, and our ecosystem thrives. Now it is time for action. Let us unite in our commitment to climate action, working hand in hand together towards a sustainable and thriving future. Together, we can make a difference that will benefit not only our generation, but also the next generation. Thank you.